Hi, everybody. Okay, so for this video, I'm going to be showing you all how to set up your Google Draw mosaics. So the very first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you are logged into your LAUSD email and that you are in your Google Drive. And you can see that up in the left-hand side. It'll say Drive with a colorful triangle. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to find an open place wherever you want to keep this in your Drive. It's up to you. And you are going to right-click. And you're going to see a whole list of menus pop up. You're going to see Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, things you've probably used before. And you're going to scroll to the bottom and you're going to click on More. Another menu is going to pop up and Google Drawings is going to be at the very top. And this is going to be the tool that we're using for this mosaic. So go ahead and click on that. And it's going to open up a new Google Draw sheet for you. When you title it, please title it with your first and last name. It just makes it easier for me to find you. And keep it organized. So once you have it open, before you even put your picture on or anything like that, the very, very, very first thing you're going to want to do is go up to the left-hand corner and you're going to see your tool menu. So these are going to be the tools we're using for the most part. Go ahead and click on where it says shape, click shape again, and select rectangle. Now you're going to find the top left corner. You're going to click and you're going to drag. So you're going to click, hold that finger down and drag all the way to the opposite corner. So the diagonal corner. So I dragged the whole way and I covered the whole page with this rectangle. The next thing you're going to want to do, you'll notice that more tools just popped up because we created a shape. You're going to click on this little paint bucket where it says fill color and you're going to click on black. Now you can change this color later down the line, but black is a really good color because most other colors we put on top of it are going to show up really nicely. You can change it, but for right now, we're going to start with black. The next thing you're going to want to do is you have two choices. You can either A, copy and paste your image, whether it be a personal image that you had or one you found on the internet. I copied and pasted mine. Or you can click on the insert button right here. Click image and either upload from computer or search the web. So it's totally up to you, whichever way is easiest. So once you have your photo on your screen, I'm going to open up, I actually started one already so I can show you. You are going to start making your tesserae, so your little mosaic pieces on your Google Drawing. So the way that you're going to want to do that is you're going to head on up to this tool menu again. You're going to click on line, the little drop-down menu, go to the bottom, click on polyline, and we're going to make shapes. We're going to make our own shapes. And we're going to decide where we want to work. So I've been working on the hairdryer, and I'm going to start to add my shapes. So you're going to click, click, and basically you're anchoring these points down. So notice how I'm able to change my direction. And you want to make sure that you go all the way back to the beginning and it will make a shape. So one more time, click, 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 and click. And sometimes it'll help you out. It'll kind of act like a magnet and connect for you. And you just have to click and it'll make the shape. And the next thing you're going to want to do is you are going to give these shapes some color. Oops. So I'm going to select the shape I want to give color. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to go up to the paint bucket tool again. And I already have my color palette that I've kind of been working with. So I'm going to just add to that. And I think it matches pretty well with what's already going on under here. The goal is you want to try to get the color of your shape to match what's underneath, because once you start adding in all these shapes, you'll be able to do this. Delete it and you'll start to see your mosaic start to take shape. It's really, really cool to start to see it come together. It is a little bit time consuming and it's a little bit finicky, so you kind of have to get used to it over time, but you will get to see your mosaic start to take place. Another quick tool that I think is really fun and has helped me is a Chrome extension called Color Picker. And I will post another video showing you what that is, but basically it works like this, where I click on the area that I'm going to be working with. So let's say I want to click on this highlight. It actually tells me the color code. So I just have to copy it, click X. And then let's say I want to change that color for whatever reason. Click on that, the little paint bucket tool. Click the plus one to make a custom color. And then you paste it right in there. And it actually gives you the exact color. So this one matches over here. But that is going to be a video I post separately from this one. So if you're interested in downloading the Color Picker tool, it's really, really awesome. Not just for Google Draw, but IBS Paint, or Procreate or anything like that. So I hope this video helped. If you have any questions, please let me know as soon as possible in class so that we can get you started on your mosaic drawing.